Hey friends, welcome back. I'm Heather. Today we're talking all about breakfast, and I'm going to share 5 of my favorite breakfasts that we definitely eat many times throughout the month because they're easy, they're delicious, and they're super kid friendly. So if you've been looking for ideas on what the heck to make for breakfast, I've got ideas for you. Now, with all of these breakfasts, they are going to include the major 3 macronutrients, but we also try to throw in some produce. So they've got protein, they've got fat, they've got carbohydrates, and some of them have veggies, some of them have fruit. All of them have one of those. So I hope that you guys like these as much as me. Okay, so the first one that I want to talk about are yogurt and granola bowls. I love this because I can make a big batch of granola in advance. I have a few different recipes on the blog. They're definitely linked down below. We can have granola on hand. We just pick up some full fat, whole milk yogurt, and then we either pick up jam or we have berries, or I make chia jam. I'll link that down below too. And breakfast is easy because I don't have to cook, and the kids love it. I love it because we're getting our protein, we're getting our fat, carbs, and we've got some fruit in there. So that's breakfast number 1. Breakfast number 2 has been a just fan favorite in our house on the blog for a long time. It's my banana egg oatmeal pancake, and it's those ingredients: mashed banana, egg, and oats, and it's all mixed together and cooked into a pancake. You've got your protein, your fat, your carbs, and your fruit because we got banana in there. We love to put applesauce on top of it and sprinkle some shredded coconut, which we call snowflakes, and it's always a hit. You could double the recipe so that you make it once and have it again later in the week. All right, the third option are protein waffles. Often waffles are just very carb heavy, and that's totally fine every once in a while, but if I'm having this being a regular thing in our house, I want to make sure that we're getting the staying power of protein. So in these protein waffles, we've got eggs and we've got cottage cheese, handful of other ingredients. You blend it up in the blender, which makes it so easy to make. And you can make a big batch and then freeze them as well. You can rewarm them by popping them in the toaster or however you like to rewarm foods, but they're delicious, they get crispy, and they've got more staying power than just a traditional waffle. All right, and another staple are breakfast smoothies. Now, these are not just fruit smoothies because fruit smoothies are lacking in that staying power. We need protein, fat, and carbs. And again, we love some added fruits and veggies. So when I'm building a smoothie, we've got our liquid, which most often is almond milk. I have an easy how-to on the blog if you want to try making your own almond milk. So we've got our liquid. We've often got fruit in there. Banana's a go-to, but frozen berries. Sometimes we also add frozen cauliflower, or we'll add kale and spinach. So maybe we add fruits and veggies in there. We always add some kind of nut butters for some extra fat. We might add chia seed for some extra fat and fiber in there. And then I often will include some kind of protein powder, whether it's like a beef isolate or a collagen. I'll link a couple of my favorites down below if you guys want to check them out. But we're always thinking about, again, protein, fat, carbs, and then our fruits or veggies if we can add that in. Okay, and the last breakfast I want to tell you about is one that I love to make a big amount and have on hand. So these are breakfast burritos that you can store in the freezer. They're made with breakfast sausage. We saute up veggies, we add eggs, and it's all wrapped up in this cute little package of a breakfast burrito. You can make a bunch, freeze them, and then simply warm them. And they're so tasty, the combination of breakfast sausage, sauteed veggies, and eggs. So if you want to check that out, the recipe is down below. But these are just some great kid-friendly, easy breakfast options to have on hand because mornings can be crazy and I want it to be as easy as it can be for you. So find all those recipes linked down below. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, and I would love to hear what is one of your favorite breakfast options. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe so you're not missing out on all the deliciousness coming up next right here on this channel. All right, see you guys later.